Pamukkale, located in southwestern Turkey near the town of Denizli, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its stunning white travertine terraces and thermal mineral waters. The name Pamukkale translates to Cotton Castle in Turkish, referring to the fluffy white appearance of the travertine formations that resemble cotton. We were only there for one day, which is enough time to see the mineral-rich thermal waters flowing over the terraces, as well as the ancient city of Hierapolis, located right next to them. Anyone who watches our videos will know that they are not monetized, and we do not normally promote businesses unless they are for the benefit of everyone. At Pamukkale, however, there is one place you should try if you're stopping for lunch or dinner. The Hiera Cafe Restaurant. Outstanding, exceptional, and with a host of TripAdvisor awards, it is listed as the #1 cafe restaurant in Pamukkale for a good reason. Don't take our word for it. Have a look at the reviews and say hi to Tolga from us if you visit. The entrance to the Pamukkale terraces is actually opposite the Hiera Cafe restaurant. Make sure to take plenty of water with you and a carry bag for your shoes, as you'll walk barefoot through the waters and across the terraces to view the pools and cascades. The travertine terraces were formed by the deposition of calcium carbonate from the hot springs. These waters fill the thermal pools, and visitors can actually bathe in them, enjoying a relaxing experience with therapeutic properties. The breathtaking landscape of Pamukkale, with its cascading white terraces and vibrant blue waters, creates a picturesque setting, making it one of Turkey's most photographed destinations. When you reach the top, you can put your shoes back on and explore the ancient ruins. The city of Hierapolis dates back to the 2nd century BCE and was known for its thermal baths, temples, and a well-preserved amphitheatre that can seat around 20,000 spectators. Exploring the ruins of Hierapolis offers a fascinating glimpse into its history and its significance as a spa centre in antiquity. Be sure to visit the museum, the theatre, the necropolis, and the sarcophagi spread out along this 2-kilometre site. Be prepared for a fair amount of walking. There is also an antique pool with submerged Roman columns, which is worth visiting, although it was closed for maintenance on the day that we were there. Many visitors head to the amphitheatre to watch the sunset, then take a taxi back down to the town. But you can of course walk back along the way you came. A taxi costs around £6, that's $8 or €7. After the long trek, it's well worth it. You may see some people travelling around in electric carts, but these are only used for tours and must be pre-booked. Without doubt, the best time to visit Pamukkale is in April or September. Try to avoid the intense heat and crowds of the summer months if you can. Take plenty of water and sun protection. The nearby town of Denizli is also worth a visit, but we have a separate video for that. Thanks for watching.